Installation process is pretty simple and painless. It doesn't take very long to install roller shutters, especially the fact that we are electricians, qualified tradesmen on site. From the quote stage, which will be me coming out, explaining the product, going through all the process. We will give you a price there and then, which is always a competitive price. From there, we will generally take a deposit. Once deposit's received, you'll be in contact via Shari. She'll give you a call. She will give you a lead time pretty much straight away. So once we've processed the shutters with the factory, we'll touch base, we'll give them a pre-installation date. As we're sort of tracking towards that date, Shari will always keep you contacted. You'll get email notifications and so forth. And then on the day, whoever it may be that will come out and do the installation, one of the guys, they'll contact you when they're on the way, always give you notice. Make sure that it's always within the time frame that we've designated for the booking. And it's pretty painless, the guys would come out. Majority of the work is done outside or in the roof. We very rarely have to come inside. And then once the shutter is installed, we will obviously run you through how it works, explain all the bits and pieces in the product, and always make sure that we leave a nice clean site when we leave. With us, we pride ourselves on that aftercare. We give 10 years warranty and we warrant that 10 years. So, if something goes wrong, we'll come out and fix it for free. But we use a great product, so generally we don't have to worry about that, and it keeps the client's peace of mind.